A very good morning to all of you dear students. I hope you all are fine. So as you know that now last class is there. So in the last class I completed the chapter 13 surface area and volume already completed, and some extra questions from the other books and the guides I provided to you in the last class, and I hope you solved some unsolved and solved also are there. I hope you solved all the questions. So if you face any type of difficulty to solve that questions, then you can ask. As you know that I provide the PDF in the last class. Just try to solve the PDF. This question that questions are too much important due to the exam use. So you just try to solve, and if you face any difficulty, then you can ask. Okay, you can text me, you can send me the photo of that question. I will explain. Or if many doubts are there, then I will prepare a video for that all the questions also. Okay, then afterwards I will provide you the video so you can understand from that video. So if you face any problem, then you can text me your question, whatever your question. Okay, so I will give the reply for this, or a video, or whatever is possible. So now we are going to start our next chapter. As you know that the 13th chapter is completed, so now only two chapters is remaining. Chapter 11 construction and chapter 14 statistics. Only two chapters are remaining from your syllabus. Chapter 11 construction and chapter 14 statistics. So now we are going to begin our next chapter, chapter 11 construction. So as you know that construction means some things we have to construct with the help of protractor, compass, ruler, and a pencil and whatever. That this chapter already you learn from the 5th class and 4th class also. In that classes we already make a triangle with the help of compass and pencil. So here also we have to draw, construct some triangles or tangents or whatever. As you know that tangent, a line which touch a circle at a point is known as tangent. So जो भी चीज़ें है वो सब आपको यहाँ पे भी पढ़ना है. So there are some topics in the chapter 11. इसके अंदर कुछ topics है. First topic is chapter 11 construction. Some topics, only 3 topics are there, and you have to be considered about only these 3 topics. So the first topic is division of a line segment in a given region. Division of a line segment in a given region. Internally, वो भी कैसा है? Internally, मतलब एक लाइन सेगमेंट आपको दिया हुआ है, उसको कुछ रेशियो में डिवाइड करना है. इंटरनली कैसे? इंटरनली एक्सटर्नली नहीं आएंगे, इंटरनली डिवाइड करना है आपको एक लाइन सेगमेंट में. सो दिस इज योर फर्स्ट टॉपिक. मतलब सबसे पहले हम ये पढ़ेंगे. आफ्टर दैट द सेकंड टॉपिक इज लाइक दिस, द टेंजेंट टू अ सर्कल. मैंने बोल दिया टेंजेंट टू अ सर्कल फ्रॉम अ आउटसाइड पॉइंट. आपको पता है कि ये सर्कल को आउटसाइड पॉइंट से दो टेंजेंट ड्रॉ करना. तो ये ड्रॉ कैसे करना है, या इसका कंस्ट्रक्शन पढ़ना पड़ेगा. हाउ टू मेक द टेंजेंट फ्रॉम अ सर्कल टू आउटसाइड पॉइंट. दो ही ड्रॉ करता है और कैसे ड्रॉ करता है, व्हाट इज द प्रोसीजर ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन, दैट वी हैव टू सॉल्व इन दिस एक्सरसाइज. एंड द लास्ट टॉपिक इज कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. एक ट्रायंगल को कंस्ट्रक्ट करना, मतलब एक ट्रायंगल आपको दिया हुआ होगा, उसके जैसा का जैसा दूसरा सिमिलर ट्रायंगल आपको कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है. So for this year, as you know that CBSE reduced some syllabus. So in that syllabus, this topic is reduced. It means this topic is no need to solve this topic for this year. ये जो topic है आपका इस साल के लिए क्या हो गया है, reduced. It means we have to solve only these 2 topics. केवल ये 2 topic ही solve करने हैं. And this topic is reduced from your syllabus for this year. ये आपके syllabus से क्या हो गया है, reduced. और यहाँ मैंने मेंशन भी कर दिया है कि इस टॉपिक के रिलेटेड कौन कौन से क्वेश्चंस है. 11.1 एक्सरसाइज कौन सी है, 11.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th एंड 7. ये सारे क्वेश्चन जो है इसके रिलेटेड है. मतलब ये सारे क्वेश्चन क्या हो गए हैं, रिड्यूस टू इस एक्सरसाइज का. एक्सरसाइज 11.1 का केवल एक ही क्वेश्चन आपके सिलेबस में है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1st. And that question is belongs from this process. वो इससे बिलोंग करता है. तो एक्सरसाइज 11.1 में केवल आपको एक ही क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करना है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1st. Okay, so this is the topics, and whatever I explain all the things, these 2 topics we have to do in this class. Okay, sorry, in this year, this topic is reduced from your syllabus to this year. So you just leave these questions, and only one question of 11.1 is there. So just take the screenshot and write in our anywhere you know this topic only we have to do, and this topic is reduce. And the reducing question, no need to solve, just mark and cut in from your book. Just take the screenshot. Okay students, so now we are going to start our first topic, the line segment, the division of a line segment in a given ratio. एक लाइन सेगमेंट को गिवन रेशियो में डिवीजन करना है. Okay. So first of all, the question example, this is the example. I have to explain with the example. Draw a line segment 5 cm and divide it in the ratio 3:4. It means we have to construct a line segment 5 cm and divide it in 3:4. So first of all, draw a line segment. This is the line segment. We draw AB and 5 centimeter. Okay. First of all, we draw AB is equals to 5 centimeter. Already we done this. Okay. So now at point A, draw an acute angle. यहाँ पे acute angle ड्रॉ करना है. Acute का मतलब क्या होता है? What is the meaning of acute angle? In all the questions of you have to just make an acute angle here. आपको यहाँ पे एक acute angle ड्रॉ करना है. What is the meaning of acute angle? Acute angle means an angle which is less than 90 degree. तो यहाँ पे आपको 90 से छोटा एक acute angle बनाना है. और अगर आप acute angle नहीं बनाए, then also you can draw with the help of scale. Scale से भी direct एक line draw कर सकते हैं. So now assume that the ratio is given. Ratio is given how much? 3:4. So you have to add first of all total part. 3 plus 4 is 7. कितने पार्ट हो गए? 7. So now you have to draw here 7 पार्ट. दोनों को प्लस करना है, दोनों को. 3 plus 4 is 7. तो यहाँ पे इसके 7 equal parts करने हैं. How many parts you have to make? 7 equal parts you have to make here. So first of all, in your compass measure 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter, but it is easy to measure 1 centimeter. So measure 1 centimeter in your compass and place your compass here and cut an arc like this. This first arc and second arc, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7. Total 7 is here na. That's why you have to cut this 7 arc. कितना arc काटना है आपको? 7 arc you have to cut. And here first arc is named A1, then A2, third A3, A4, A5, A6 and A7. This is the first process to construct this diagram. After that, you have to do like this. First ratio is given 3 and the second ratio is given 4. So last line we have to construct diagonally. सीधा scale से इसको join करें. Okay, last point को last line से with the help of scale you just draw this last point diagonally like this. सीधा scale से इसको join करेंगे. Okay, so the first ratio is given 3. First ratio is 3. 3 means A3. 3 means क्या है? A3 and 4 means A4. तो वो A4 तो हमने A7 कर दिया लास्ट में. इसको कोई मतलब नहीं है. 3 means कितना A3. So at the point of A3, you have to make an angle. So first of all, draw a semicircle. At this point, you have to draw a semicircle. क्या draw करना है यहाँ पे? Semicircle. Place your compass here and like this. You have to make a semicircle. I hope you understood very well. ये क्या करना है आपको? एक semicircle यहाँ पे draw करना है ऐसे. Okay, I hope you understood. Then place your compass at the point and cut an arc like this. This is just 60 degree angle. As you know that. Then after that, join this point like this. So after that, when you with your help of your ruler, join this point like this, and this is your answer. Here you just mark. This line is 5 centimeter now. Here you just mark point C, and this ratio is 3, and this ratio is 4, and this is your answer. So this is the process to division of a line segment in a given ratio. सबसे पहले लाइन ड्रॉ कर ले, then acute angle ड्रॉ करना है, then add the both of the ratio, दोनों ratio को add करना है, then make the total parts. Okay, the first ratio is 3, which is A3. So sorry, the last point diagonally just join from the this point is diagonally करना है. After that, A3 means sorry, the 3 should be A3 cut and sorry draw a semicircle. एक semicircle draw करना है, then cut an arc like this. आपको ये करना होता है, semicircle draw और cut an arc करना like this. फिर इसको join करना है ऐसे. Okay, so semicircle फिर cut an arc and then join this and this is your ratio 4. So this is an example I explained. So by this example you have to draw solve this type of question. So this is only this example of the first question. So just take the screen. screenshot and mention in your notebook. Okay, so first of all take the screenshot first. Okay students, so next exercise 11.1. So as I told you, exercise 11.1 has 7 questions. Exercise 11.1 में 7 questions है, and these all questions is reduced from your syllabus. ये सारे second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh all reduced from your syllabus because that questions are belongs from the triangle, construction of triangle, and construction of triangle is reduced from your syllabus. So only the one question, the first question is in your syllabus, this question. So only I will solve this one only. So just see that on the board. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter. Draw a line segment of length 7.6 centimeter. So first of all, let AB equals to, we have to make 7.6 centimeter and divide it into the ratio 5:8. इसको 5:8 में डिवाइड करना है इन दोनों को, और मेजर ईच पार्ट, और बाद में दोनों पार्ट को मेजर भी करना है. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एज नोटेड वी हैव टू मेक अ लाइन सेगमेंट 7.6. so draw a line segment 7.6. so you have to draw with the scale. Okay, so I am not having scale, that's why I draw simply like this only. You have to draw with your scale, otherwise you will get the wrong answer. So AB, and this is 7.6 centimeters. After that I told you make an acute angle here like this. So already we done. After that the ratio is 5 ratio to total 5 plus 8 10 13. So we have to cut the 13 part of this line. 13 equal parts we have to cut of this line. Okay, so as you know that here compass measure 1 centimeter. compass के अंदर कितना measure करना है 1 centimeter with the help of scale, and then place your compass here. Then first arc, then second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10, 11, 12 and 13. We have to draw like this. So this is our answer. And mark here like I told you A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9, A10, A11, A12 and A13. So I told you join directly A13 to this point. See the इससे join कर देना है. So I hope you understood. After that our first ratio is 5. 5 means A5. 5 means A5. So whatever process we done in the last lesson, here also we have to do like this only. A5, this is our A5. Draw a semicircle at A5 and cut an arc like this. After that draw a semicircle at A5 and cut an arc like this. After that join this. So इसको क्या करना है, थोड़ा सा ये कम हो गया. So first of all this is our arc. Draw a semicircle like this and cut an arc like this. Then join this. So this is your point C, and this line is 7.6. So now you have to measure AC. आपको AC स्केल से नापना है और फिर BC की स्केल से नापना है, and then you just write the answer. So this is your answer, and this is the way to construct the given line segment in some ratio. ये तरीका है कि गिवन लाइन सेगमेंट को कुछ रेशियो के अंदर डिवाइड करता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ड्रॉ द लाइन डायरेक्टली, मेक एन एक्यूट एंगल, ऐड द रेशियो, मेक द इक्वल पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस लाइन, एंड आफ्टर दैट लास्ट में जस्ट जॉइन टू पॉइंट P एंड A5 पे जो भी फर्स्ट रेशियो है दैट ड्रॉ अ सेमीसर्कल एंड कंस्ट्रक्ट एन एंगल लाइक दिस. ठीक है, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन वेरी वेल. सो दिस वन क्वेश्चन, द क्वेश्चन वन फर्स्ट ओनली इन योर सिलेबस फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज 11.1 से ऐसा केवल एक ही क्वेश्चन है तो आपके सिलेबस में है. इफ यू फाइंड एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम एनी अदर बुक देन यू जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व. इस बुक के अंदर केवल ये एक ही क्वेश्चन है और एक एग्जांपल मैंने अपने मन से बता दिया. सो इफ यू फाइंड एनी मोर क्वेश्चंस इन एनी अदर बुक देन जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व. आपको वो सॉल्व करना है बिकॉज़ दिस बुक ओनली वन क्वेश्चन इज गिवन दैट आई सॉल्व इन वन मोर एग्जांपल आल्सो. So I hope you understood. So our first topic, the division of a line segment is completed in the given ratio. Yeah, आपका हो गया है completed. Only one more topic is remaining. The the construction of tangent to a given circle. एक circle पर एक tangent को construct करना है. So just take the screenshot. And okay, so today's class is over. So if you face any difficulty in this exercise, then after that you can ask. But if you find any more questions, then you just try to solve. Okay, thank you. एंड मेजर ए सी एंड बी सी एंड राइट देयर, ए सी और बी सी को मेजर भी करना है और वहाँ मेंशन भी करना है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल जस्ट मेजर ए सी एंड बी सी, ओके।